Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel with another useful and informative video. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix SMS fee issue on Telegram. So guys, if you are trying to create an account on Telegram but you're facing this problem and you're unable to create the Telegram account, here I will show you how can you skip this issue and how can you fix the problem on Telegram to create account. So guys, for that you have to simply watch this video till the end. So guys, first of all, go back to your home screen and now you have to simply open settings on your device and then go to general and then go to iPhone storage and then from here go to Telegram. So guys, simply go to Telegram and from here offload the app for one time, or if you're using Android phone then you have to simply clear cache and data of the app from your Android phone for one time. So guys, do this, and after this you have to simply download and install the latest version of Telegram app on your device. So guys, simply do this and check if the problem is fixed or not, and if the problem is still there then drag down your control center and change your internet connection. If you're using Wi-Fi then use mobile data, and if you're using mobile data then use Wi-Fi, and check if the problem is fixed or not. And if the problem is still there then go for the next solution, that is you have to simply open settings on your device and then you have to go to VPN, go to general and then scroll it below and go to VPN and device management and connect your device with a VPN. So guys, simply connect your device with a VPN, and after this go back and check if the problem is fixed or not. And if the problem is still there then go to language and region, change your country or region from here, and after this check if the problem is fixed or not. And if the problem is still there then you have to simply contact the Telegram support team for further information and help. So guys, hopefully they will try to fix this problem for you within 24 hours. So guys, that's it for today's video. Hope this video helps you. Please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. Thank you.